Today we are diving into a truly fascinating natural supplement known as Shilajit. Ever heard about its impressive health benefits and wondered if it is the right fit for you? Stick around because we are breaking down everything you need to know about this ancient remedy. So what exactly is this mysterious supplement? Shilajit is a sticky tar-like substance found deep in the rocks of Himalayas. Over centuries, it's formed through the gradual breakdown of plants by tiny microorganisms. Pretty incredible, right? Packed with minerals, fulvic acid, and nutrients, Shilajit has been cherished in Ayurvedic medicines for generations. Let's dive into the impressive benefits Shilajit brings to the table. Shilajit is known for enhancing mitochondrial function. Think of it as a little boost for your cells, amping up energy production and helping to combat fatigue, so you feel more energetic and ready to go. Research suggests Shilajit may support brain function by reducing oxidative stress and promoting the production of important neurotransmitters. The result? Better memory, focus, and overall brain health. Rich in fulvic acid, Shilajit is a potent antioxidant that shields cells from damage, promoting healthy aging. It's also believed to support healthy skin and bones, which is always a plus. With its range of minerals and nutrients, Shilajit can give your immune system a boost, making it more effective at fending off infections and keeping you healthy. This supplement has been shown to support hormone health, including reproductive hormones. For men, this can be particularly beneficial as it may even help boost testosterone levels naturally. While Shilajit is generally safe for most people, there are a few things to watch out for. Some people may have an allergic reaction. Think itching, rash, or even dizziness. If you notice these symptoms, it's best to stop using it and chat with a healthcare professional. Here is a heads up. Be sure to purchase purified Shilajit from a reliable source. Unpurified Shilajit may contain heavy metals or contaminants you want to avoid. If you are on medication, especially for a chronic condition, it's a good idea to consult your doctor before adding Shilajit to your daily routine. Shilajit comes in various forms like resin, powder, and capsules. Dosage recommendations can differ, so it's always best to check the label or consult with a healthcare professional for the right guidance. Now, with so many Shilajit products on the market, purity really is key to ensuring it's both safe and effective. Not all Shilajit is created equal, and that's why it's so important to choose one from a trustworthy source. Pure Shilajit could have that rich, dark texture and color and come with minimal processing to preserve its nutrients. From my own research, the Shilajit I have been using is from a brand called Dr. Pure. I love it because it's 100% pure Shilajit, no fillers, no additives. Plus, the packaging is incredibly aesthetic and elegant, giving you that added confidence in its quality. With Dr. Pure, you really feel like you are getting the authentic product, just as nature intended. And if you put Pharma24 at checkout, they will give you 10% discount. I will put the link and discount code in the description. That's it for today. If you found this video informative and enjoy holistic health content, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and stay high spirited. I'll see you in the next video.